Good evening, everyone. Happy Labor Day. I hope you had a good day. I apologize that I didn't get this done sooner. Life's a little crazy right now in Central Florida, and Florida as a general, along the Eastern Seaboard. Just first off, the bottom line is be safe, no heroics, and communicate, okay? I'll certainly, for those people that are severely impacted, I will certainly work with you. Know that I don't know what's in store for Central Florida as of, I think the weather starts rolling in early morning, goes in through, not sure how Tuesday afternoon into Wednesday is going to be, but we'll figure it out, right? So let's see what we need to do this week. And just, as I said, just make sure you communicate with me if you have any concerns, okay? All right, so the readings this week in the two books, and yes, the graphic design process book, it is only available as a Kindle, so you need to make sure that you get that book. The graphic design thinking, I don't know. I have to look at which one is on Kindle. I forgot. I thought it was the graphic design process book was on Kindle, and then the other book you can still get. So there are the pages 15 through 25 and 10 through 17. And we're looking at mind maps this week. We're looking at different ways to brainstorm, okay? So I love mind mapping, actually. And so this is what we're, it's really to really push the level of your creativity and how you think about something. You got to really just go for it, all right? So the first assignment you're going to do is you're going to create a mind map of a topic or a person that you are familiar with. No point in doing something that you're not familiar with. So, you can do your own self, and the example here is on Bob, and it shows, you just start literally just doing word associations, and you just start moving off of it, okay? So everything about Bob, okay? So if it was, me, Melissa, I would say 5 siblings, right? I would say into cats. I would say lives in Central Florida. I would say born in Pennsylvania, okay? So I would probably just start thinking about that. Now, it can be yourself, or it could be of somebody else, or it could be a topic that you're passionate about, okay? So you're going to create a mind map. Now, you can do this digitally. You can draw it by hand. Just make sure it's neat. Make sure it's legible. Make sure it's dark enough. So if you do it by hand, make sure you do it with a marker or something so that it's, when you scan it or take a picture of it, you can clearly see it when you post it to it, okay? Now, remember, these assignments, you post it, and then you're supposed to reply to 2 people, right? So you guys need to look at other people's mind maps and make comments on them, okay? Because it's also going to give you a little insight, possibly if they're doing it on themselves, about who they are as individuals, right? All right, so that's the first assignment, pretty straightforward. And then the second assignment is you need to watch this video. And you're going to, instead of this mind map, you're going to make a concept map. Now, the only thing about a concept map is there's like these little nodes. So you need to watch this video. It will show you everything that you need to do, and just make sure that you follow what the examples here are. Yeah, this will show you exactly. And then this is going to be a mind map on your typical day, okay? So when you get up in the morning until you go to bed at night, okay? So this is a concept map. So you're going to do a concept map of your typical mind, and remember that concept maps have connector words between nodes, okay? So there's connector words. The video is going to show you everything that you need to know about it, all right? So you're going to post that there. Again, you guys need to reply to each other, look at each other's concept maps, all right? Then the last assignment for the week is out of the design method book. And this time we're looking at creating purposeful design in week 2. All right. So what you need to do is you need to, tell me what your thoughts are about what you read. And please make sure that you go in and review what your peers have written and make comments on it, guys. I think it's pretty straightforward. I think it's a fun week. All the assignments are pretty straightforward. If you need assistance, please email me. Again, I will caution you, I do not know what sort of weather we're in store for here in Central Florida, so be patient. Bottom line, I would like to know that everyone, I know there are others in the class that are also living in Central Florida, working at Disney. Just be sensible, be smart, be safe, right? Okay? And if you're having any problems, please communicate. Communication is the key here, people. Just communicate. All right? All right, guys, that pretty much sums it up for week 2. So as always, this is Professor Chisholm signing off. Have a productive week and do great things.